I've been chainsawing a little over 8 years. Just started out basically it was an accident that actually got it all started. My wife, we had a chainsaw stuck in a tree, and I had a truck hooked to it, and I pulled it ahead, and the tree broke and busted one of her legs. So I decided that it wasn't that good a deal to do the chainsaw, cutting wood anymore. So I ended up, for Christmas time, she was really laid up really bad, so she wanted Santa Claus, so I carved a Santa Claus and a snowman. And it kind of caught my interest, and I had a little knack for it. So I just kept working at it, and this is where it's come. First couple years I stayed basically around home. Did some local demonstrations for the hardware store in town here in Akron. And then within the last couple years I've been in a couple contests, one in, down in the Ozarks, and then I went to St. Louis and carved. This summer I did the Ellis County Fair in Hays, Kansas. It's about 525 miles. But generally I've been trying to stay around here. That's why I'm doing the Clay County Fair this year. Basically, I want to stay in this area. I will do some traveling, but I don't do it for a living. And I have a job. I work at Westfield and I drive truck for a living, so I can stay around here.